Good morning everybody. So yesterday we completed the exercise 3.1. So today we will solve the exercise 3.2. Before that, recap about median and mode. What is meant by median? Middle most observation among the given data. So how will you find the median? First you have to arrange the given data in either ascending order or descending order. Am I right dear? Yes. After that you have to count the number of observation. If n is an odd number, n means what? The number of given observation. Then median is equal to, if n is an odd number, then median is equal to n plus 1 by 2th term. N plus 1 by 2th observation. Otherwise, if the given number of observation is an even number, if n is an even number, then median is equal to n by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term divided by 2. N by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term divided by 2. Am I right here? If n is an even number. Then mode. Mode means what? Most frequently occurring data. Most frequently occurring data. If all the data occurs only one time, then what is mode? Yeah, no mode. Sorry. What is the mode? No mode. If all the observation occurs only one time, then there will be no mode. Please don't write 0. If you are writing 0 means what? Then 0 is one of the number occurred maximum number of times. Then you are not supposed to write 0. If all the data occurs only one time, then there will be no mode. And then if suppose one or more observation occurs maximum number of times, then there will be two mode. That is called as what? Bimode. Bimode. If only one observation occurs max number of times, then it is unimode. Uni means single, bi means two. Am I right? So the mode can be two or more observation. Are you getting here? Yes. Now we will move to the exercise now. Exercise 3.2. First question is, find the scores in mathematics test out of 25 of 15 students is as follows. It's given that 19, 25, 19, 25, 23, 20, 9, 20, 15, 10, 5, 16, 25, 20, 24, 12, 30. 15 students were given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 13, 15. Yes. So first you arrange the given data in either ascending order or descending order. Arrayed data, that is called as what? Arrayed data. That is, here the least number is what? 9. After that, sorry, before that 5 we are having 5, and then 9. 9 after we are having 10 here, 10. Then 10 after 12, 10 after 12, and then 12 after that 15, then after that 16 after that we are having 19 here, 19, and then 20. How many times? 3 times I think so. 1, 2, 3. So 23 times. And then after 20 we are having 23, and then 24, and then 25 2 times, and then 30. Now count the number of observation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So n equal to 15. Already it is given. 15 students it is given. So 15 is an odd number. then median is equal to n plus 1 by 2th observation after arranging in the either ascending or descending. So n is how much here? 15. So 15 plus 1 by 2th observation. Then 15 plus 1 is what? 16. 16 by 2th observation. Am I right here? Which is equal to 16 by 2 is nothing but 8th observation. 8th observation. So 8th observation in the arranged data. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is what? 20. Median is what? 20. Okay. Otherwise, sir, if I don't want to apply this formula, then what can I do? You can do, that is, one more shortcut. This is a shortcut method, but I will not prefer this method. Always you have to go with the procedure. If you forgot the formula, what you can do? After arranging the data in either ascending order or descending order, strike out the first, last, second, second last, third, third last, fourth, fourth last, fifth, fifth last, sixth, sixth last. Am I right here? And then seventh, seventh last. Then, so what is left out? Only one number is left out, that is called as what? Median. So this is the median. So when you can strike out after arranging the data in either ascending order or descending order, and then only you can conclude. Am I right here? Yes. Now come to the mode now. The question is you have to find the mode also. Here which number occurs max number of time? Here 5 occur only one time, 9 occur only one time, 10 occur only one time, 12 occurs only one time, 15 occurs only one time, 16 occurs only one time, 19 occurs only one time, but 20 occurs 3 times. 20 occur 3 times. That is the max number of times. So rest of the number, see, 25 occur only 2 times, rest of the number occurs only 1 time. So mode is what? 20. Mode is what? 20. So they asked us to find is the median and mode are same. Yes, median and mode are same. Median and mode are same. Yes, both the values are same. Yes, both the values are same. Yes, both the values are same. Am I right here? Yes. In the next video, we will discuss the solution for the next question. Thank you.